So I'm putting LEDs. I have, let me show you the box. LED headlight kit. These are the specs on it. Each for, I'll put a link in the description for it. But basically what we're doing is taking out the headlight right here. Okay, so you guys can see the headlight. I'll just show you where I'm taking it out. So the headlight goes right in here. It's like this clip and everything. I'll show you guys how to do that too. Okay, so this is the original one that I just took out. So there's that one. And then throwing that over there. And then this is the new one that I'm putting in. So I watched another video on how to do it and he couldn't get this boot on. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that as well. But I put it in, looks good. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. That way you don't struggle with it too. So yeah, I can't let anything touch that right now. And also my car is a mess right now. I'm changing the radiator and the support because I hit a huge rock. So everything's literally gone. But it gives me time to work on my car. So that's what I'm doing. So this is what it looks like when you get it. This is the unplugged. This one's plugged into my right headlight right now. So basically, I saw a video where the guy could not get this to fit on there, and I was kind of skeptical because, like, coming down here, I was kind of skeptical because, like, I didn't want water to get into this, you know what I'm saying? So basically, you're gonna have to take this thing off. Literally pops right off like that. Be careful around that part. And then on this little, whatever it's called, boot. Rubber part, boot, yeah, you're gonna plug this part in to the bottom right here. So this part's just gonna go right in here and it'll squeeze right in. So just put that right in there. So now you have this piece on the boot. Okay, so once you have this metal piece right back into the boot, you're just gonna slide it right over. So as I'm doing right now, very carefully. And then you're just gonna clip it and it'll pop right back into place. So now you can see it's all good, all covered up. Then you can just pop it right back in. So let me show you guys how I do that. So this is the rod that lifts up and down. You have to unhook this part to take it out, to take the headlight out. And then when you put it back on, you have to hook this back in so it stays. So that's the hook right down there. So basically when it's on, what you're gonna do is just go like this and hook it on. It's gonna be a lot more difficult because you have the boot right here and it's like in your way, but it's doable, trust me. So this is all plugged in, bracelet. So now you're just gonna put it back in this hole. Be very careful because the clip is out, obviously. So you're gonna have this put in there right now. Then we have this little metal clip that just kind of falls back down over the cover. So you're gonna put that in. So let me just pop it right back in right now. Okay, so I got the clip in there and this is all connected. Got the little boot on there, everything's in place. So my dad just thought of a smarter way to do it. So the little part, the metal part that I told you, they stick into the boot. He put that in there already. Alright.
Now you put the boot.
Yes, so now you put the boot on. So he's putting the boot on there. Okay, so the boot is in there right now. You guys can see that. The other thing's clipped in, the boot's in. Now, the easy part, right? Just put that, pop that sucker right in. Boom. Boom. Smart. Super smart. That's okay. Okay, so that's on. So that's what it looks like right now with it's installed. So pretty, nice LED, so nice. So yeah, it was pretty easy, super easy, especially that second time around with this, just got to take off that little metal ring, put that in first, clip it, boot on, then the LED, you are all set. So my dad brought up a really good point. There could possibly be like spray of water that comes in, and I don't want it to get in there because it's not that like tight together for some reason, you know, it doesn't fit like a perfect match. So I'm just gonna put some electrical tape on it, around it real quick actually, that way we're good. Okay, so I got some tape around there just to make sure and save my butt, that way I don't have an electrical fire or anything, because I live in Colorado, so of course it snows and rains all the time. But yeah, so perfect.